Tamsaking. Ayan. My Lola is teaching me how to do tamsaking. Para may gagawin ka. Para maging mabait at tumahimik. Si Mateo. Yung isa. Hello, tamsaking lang. My Lola is good. She's teaching me how to do tamsaking here. Because I don't want the pacifier. Sige, kunutin mo yung daliri mo. Ayos ba, Mateo? Ayos man, Lola. Oy, ginanahan. Oy, naantok na yata. Ginanahan sa tamsaking. Ngayon, tinitignan niya si Lola niya. Hi, everyone. I'm with my Lola. My Lola is teaching me how to do tamsaking. So that I will be quiet. Nandun ba tayo pala ako, ha? Hi, everyone. Hi, everyone. Hello, everyone. Oy, I have Tita Chantel here. You want to be extra? Sige na, Mateo. Magtamsaking ka na. Tamsaking. Dunat mo, anak ko. Dunat mo.